খাবলৈ হ'ব না লৈ যাওঁ দৌৰা-দৌৰিকৈ ক'লৈ যাব ওলাইছা বিয়াখন গৈছেহে কথা পাতিবলৈচোন টাইমে পোৱা নাই কথা পাতিমচোন তইচোন কেইদিনমান থাকিবিয়ে মই ওলাই স্কুলৰ পৰা গৈ আহোঁ will not be able to stay long as Radha has his fest next week দেখা নাই জানো বিয়াতে ৰুচ লৈ আহিব লগা হৈছে and we are going to that school there is a meeting of PSTP and I'm one of the members.
My name is Nandari.
Okay, so what are you doing in this program?
I am doing English program, dance and singing.
Okay, so what is this in your hand?
It is called in Assamese Bothi and in English O. It helps us to do boating.
Oh, it helps in boating. So is your dance related to boating, like a rough idea?
Yes.
Oh, wow. I'm really excited to see your program. It's going to be fun. So yeah, all the best for your program.
Thank you.
Memorized last year. Memorize? Why do I need to memorize? I didn't learn anything from book. I have done activities based on I will also show this to my friends and teachers. Udaya, tell me more about your school. अरे बाकी अरे भतीजा भीतर की रसोई चली আছে Ma, you are back. How was the meeting? Ma, say hey, what did ya? Over there, I have made a better work by 2013. The school has asked their teachers to align their lesson plans with 21st century of SDG goals. Wow, NPSIS
What's your name?
My name is Karan Raj Barua.
Okay, so what are you doing in this program?
I am dancing in the Goa folk dance.
Okay, so what is it all about, the Goa folk dance?
It is all about fishermen.
Fishermen's. Okay, by the way, what is this?
In Hindi, it is called Yappu and in English, this is called an oar.
Chappu. This is kind of very funny name. Wow. So how are you feeling for this program?
I am feeling very excited for this program.
Are you not nervous?
I am just a little bit nervous.
Just a little bit nervous. Okay, all the best for your dance and do best. Okay, bye. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Himrashmi Das. I am from class 4B.
Okay, so how are you feeling for today's program?
I am feeling great. The performance is going nice.
The performance is going nice. You're looking really very pretty. And is this your props?
Yes.
Oh wow, what is this?
This is coconut. We need to knock it and then we need to dance with it.
You need to dance with it. Oh wow. So are you excited for today's dance?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Are your parents coming? You look really very pretty.
Yes, my parents has come.
Come. Okay. Thanks.
कडी खातां आमी नुस्तें गरयतां आमी कोंकणी उलयतां आनी गोंया आमचो गांव आमी शीत कडी खातां आमी नुस्तें गरयतां आमी कोंकणी उलयतां आनी गोंया आमचो गांव हे कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास तीच कोरया राजभास 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 आमी देवळान वेतां आमी इगोर्जेन वेतां आनी एकामेकाक मेळून आमी कोंकणी उलयतां हे देवळान वेतां आमी इगोर्जेन वेतां आनी एकामेकाक मेळून आमी कोंकणी उलयतां कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास तीच कोरया राजभास 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 वाजयतां आमी कांतारा म्हणटां आमी फुगडी गाजयतां पळय तेन्ना नाचता सगळो गांव हे आमी मुस्क वाजयतां आमी कांतारा म्हणटां आमी फुगडी गाजयतां पळय तेन्ना नाचता सगळो गांव हे कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास तीच करुया राजभास 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 शेतान वावरतां आमी पाड्याक चलयतां आख्खो दीस काम करून सांजे फेणीचो मारतां हे शेतान वावरतां आमी पाड्याक चलयतां आख्खो दीस काम करून सांजे फेणीचो मारतां हे कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास तीच करुया राजभास 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 इंग्लीश समजतां मराठी शिंगतां पूण घरा कोडे वचून आमी कोंकणी उलयतां हे पुर्तुगेज मागतां मराठी शिंगतां पूण घरा कोडे वचून आमी कोंकणीच उलयतां कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास तीच करुया राजभास कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास तीच करुया राजभास कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास
Udaya, I have heard that the anchors were saying something about club. What is club? Club aims to nurture creativity and innovation among students. We can create a creative and inclusive environment.
I welcome you all to NPSIS Winter Carnival 2024. NPSIS Winter Carnival also provides an opportunity for students to showcase their creativity and talents through various activities and performances. It also gives an opportunity for students to develop their leadership skills such as event organizer, performer, or volunteer. NPSIS Winter Carnival setting the school student bound.
Please give your feedback. Can you draw my next sketch? Yes, I can draw. Wow, very nice. What are you displaying about? Ma'am, these are the art and craft done by the students. If you like anything from here, then you purchase them at a very low price.
Come and say you want to freedom. How will I keep it down? So I wish I fade away with you. Listen carefully to the sound. It's like a heart tries to run, and it's Now here I go again to see the crystal vision. I keep my vision